Do you pin straight from Instagram, or do you create a new pin for Pinterest? So I have been showing my repurposing my graphics for my podcast lately on Instagram going to Pinterest. So what I do is I always create a new pin. I do not recommend sharing from a different platform. This goes with Instagram, Facebook, all of that stuff. The more you shove things, the worse it is. I believe 100% that these algorithms like people native to the platform. So when you shove something from Instagram, like a post, the content isn't transferring over. So with pins, you have to make sure that they are optimized properly. When you are shoving a pin or a post from Instagram to Pinterest, they're not going to be as optimized. So the caption is going to transfer over. So something that will transfer on Instagram and look great, it's not going to transfer over onto Pinterest because it needs to have a keyword optimized description, title. There's a lot more that goes into Pinterest than just shoving content. So if you just want to go and shove some content onto Pinterest, you go right ahead. But I'm telling you, you're going to keep spinning your wheels and you're not going to get the results that you immediately want. So I recommend creating pins native to the platform, in the platform, versus doing a shove from Instagram. I've done it from Squarespace. Trust me, they fell flat. It was pretty embarrassing.